This factory produces 10 tons of potato chips every day.
Potato chips are one of the most popular snacks worldwide.
However, manufacturing on this scale requires precision. Every step affects taste and texture. It all starts with raw potatoes, shipped fresh in bulk. Potatoes are inspected immediately.
Only potatoes that meet the requirements will be processed.
Next, the potatoes are washed thoroughly. A water jet cleans away dirt and debris.
If you enjoy factory documentaries, subscribe for more.
Peeling removes the outer skin. This ensures a uniform texture.
Potato peels are collected separately.
The peeled potatoes are rinsed again. Now the cutting process begins. Potatoes are sliced out with great precision. Thickness is strictly controlled. Uniform slices ensure even frying.
The potato slices are washed again.
Now they're ready to be fried. Potato slices enter a large industrial fryer. The oil temperature is carefully controlled. Too hot, chips burn. Too cold, they turn greasy.
Perfect frying produces a crispy texture. Afolatanguches.
The frying time is precisely set.
The moisture evaporates rapidly.
This locks in the crispiness.
Now the excess oil must be removed. Oil flows efficiently.
An air knife removes excess oil.
French fries are transferred to the seasoning drum. The flavoring powder is added precisely.
The drum rotates for even coating.
Each flavor has its own recipe. Salt distribution must be uniform. Too much seasoning upsets the balance. The perfect coating enhances the flavor. Chips must be cooled before packaging. Cooling stabilizes the texture. Sensors continuously monitor temperature. Excessive heat traps water vapor. Proper cooling maintains crispness. Airflow is carefully regulated. Now the chips are ready to be packaged. Packaging must be fast and clean.
An automatic weighing machine divides the chips into portions.
Accuracy prevents waste. The bag is formed from film. Each bag is filled with a carefully measured portion. Nitrogen is added to maintain freshness. The bags are sealed tightly with heat.
Various brands distribute these chips worldwide.
One of them is branded LAA7.
The date code is printed. The vision system checks the seal. Defective bags are rejected.
The approved bags continue.
The approved bags continue. Bags are automatically packed, ready for global distribution. Cardboards are sealed and stacked.
Products are being moved to the warehouse.
Thousands of sacks leave the factory every hour.
From fresh potatoes to crispy chips. Every step is designed for quality. This is how LAYS potato chips are made in a modern factory.